Hey there, I was sent over this dog pen to put together, try out, and share with you, so let's get together and I'll give you my thoughts. To put it together, I started by taking the panels and inserting the pins from one panel into the other until I had all of those completed. Once all the panels are set up, there are 8 screws along with a provided hex key. Those get secured into place to keep the panels from separating. Finally, there are 8 stakes to secure it to the ground. To open and close the gate, you just lift the orange lever and open the door. You can shut it and it's secure here, and it does have a hole up in here for a small lock if needed. Now let's see what my dog actually thinks of being in the pen. So my dog is about 40 pounds and this is what he looks like in the crate. So he's got a little bit of room. There's room to put a bed in there if he needed, or a bowl of water. Gives him a little bit of room to walk around. I like how quickly this came together. It only took a few minutes. Everything that you need is provided in the box. You don't need any additional tools because the Allen wrench is provided. I like how it has these smooth tops and there's not much room in between here, which can be helpful with the dogs not getting stuck in there. There was a stake provided for each panel, which is nice. I like that the gate is easy open and it does have an area for a small padlock if needed. If you're looking for a pen that you can put outdoors and your pet can be in, easy to put together and take apart as needed, then I hope that helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.